everyone, good morning. So I'm going for a flight now. Going to LA. LA. Say hi to LA. Please stay with me and I'll show you later on when I arrive there. It's gonna be a long journey for us, so wish us luck. So after walking a long corridor to go to my room, I have reached my room, which is on the corner or in the last of the wing of the hotel, and this is what my card, and here we go. I'm going inside my room now. Looks very nice. Let's grab it back quickly. Wow. So I'll give you a quick room tour. So I'm staying here in LA. This is a very short stay for us. It's 24-hour stay. And here you go. There. Well, it's modern. It's very nice. Wow. You see here? There you go. Looks cozy and nice. So this is the entrance of the hotel. We have tea, coffee facility here. Let's look at the toilet, shower room area. There you go. I love this one. Here. Sink hair dryer, extra tissue roll. There you go. And there, still in uniform, and it's a sliding door too. Amazing. There you go. Okay. And I love this lighting. It's really nice. You see? The view outside. So there at the airport. It's only 15 minutes from the airport. And this is the view outside. Go. Let me just sit down for a while and remove this, and I'm gonna freshen up a bit, and I'm gonna be waiting for one of my friends or relatives here who's gonna pick me up soon. We're gonna go out and see what we can do with him today. So see you in a while, and lots of kisses. So I'm just gonna sit here and look at the view outside. Now let's see if we can be able to catch any landing or any departure. There you go. There's an aircraft landing. It's just this window is not really helping. Okay. It's not clear, but it's landing here at LAX International Airport. There you go. Touching down, touching down. Amazing. Nice taxiing. Our neighbor. It's taking off. Yes. Bye-bye. Safe skies. Ooh. So I'm ready to go. And this is how I look like. I have a lot of stuff with me. I'm gonna meet my little brother downstairs. Let's go. Oh, so look at this. It's something new. So you push this here like this. And when you open the door, it prevents the door to be open. There's always something new. Cool. Now fold it. Hello, little brother. Ano na ko sa kabila? I went to the other side. I got lost. Say hi. Mali ang pinuntahan ko. Kumusta? Yes, I was wondering where were you? Where are you?
I'm getting, madam.
I don't know, boss.
Ikaw, madam.
You're the driver.
I'm the rider.
Ang ganda naman nito. It was very nice, this one. This dream catcher here. I got lost. I was looking for you at the other side. Since we're a bit far from downtown, let me just relax and rest for a while.
over here at South Street, this is where Jerry's Grill. So dito lang ako laging mahanap.
Okay. Saan ka mga?
Naghahanap.
Saan?
Jerry's Grill, dito lang.
Ah, sa Jerry's Grill.
It's not too far.
Ah. Okay. Check out nila. Nice.
So we're here at City of Cerritos, street of South Street. So we're here on the right side. This is where all the dealerships. On the left side, this is where the Cerritos Mall.
Oh, paano kating na ako dito?
I think you've been here.
No, when was that?
I mean, ano bang store mo? Forever 21? There's a Forever 21?
Oh, ito, baby. Pumunta na kami dito ng mami mo.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, we went here before. Now this, I know.
Mabilis na, yeah.
Ano siya?
Blooming car.
What? Wow, I love this tree. It's like lavender everywhere. Favorite ko siya.
Violet, violet.
Everything violet, I love. Carrot bread.
Oh my God, girl. Come on, guys. So we're here. Pampanas. Pampanas. Now, napanga tayo sa ano?
Lapas lang. River.
Post restaurant.
LayOver Cafe. It's like this is an eating place.
Yun sila.
Ah. Hi, madam!
Kanina ni Richard.
Hello, ganda.
Sa kinainan nyo ni Richard, doon sa may Chives. Nasa na kayo sasakay?
Sino kausap ni mother?
Ano po?
O sige, sakay. Daran, wait.
Wait.
Daran lang ako sasakay.
Sa kabila! Sa kabila ka!
Ang gamit ko na din. Ito lang na lang, madam. Kumusta? People now because people are celebrating Mother's Day.
Lalo na bukas.
Oo,
Ban
ma.
mag-isip.
Natin pa
Saan nag-park?
Papa, nagpapunta pa nga lang.
Dito ba sa kanamo?
Nasaan ang labasan?
Dito.
Kuya, nasa kaliwa. Kaya paikot-ikot na.
Ba't nagkahat kasi sino naman makikita?
We're
Wala
having...
na daanan dyan.
Meron.
Hi!
Oh.
Wala.
Wala na ako nagdanan dyan.
Paikot-ikot ka.
Kailangan.
Being here soon. Lots of instructions everywhere.
Buti na lang hindi sa seafoods. Allergic si madam.
Di. Okay lang lang. Pakailan kahit na allergy. Kainin na lahat. Life is short.
Ah.
We are here at eating place.
Kanan, ayun
Vietnamese,
sa garlic, ang
garlic
kanan.
and chives. Okay, we have
Yung
fresh
banana
veg.
leaf.
Oh, supermarket. Supermarket. It's like this, ano,
Yeah, Filipino
China
Family.
something.
Ano nilalabas yan?
Okay. So we're here in garlic and chives. Nice. Ay, sorry. Ganda ng bar nila. Look at those lobsters. Wow. Ganda ng place. Very posh. What they have there. Hello. This is garlic and chives. Ganda na chandelier. It's called garlic and chives. So what food do they have? All seafoods here. Combination. Is it ano? Vietnamese food? Or just everything? Anything?
Kaladuchi. Mama Sarwa. Hot pot. Walang kanin.
It's people are celebrating Happy Mother's Day. Everyone's busy and
Hot pot.
Hindi ba sarap ang hotpot?
wow. It's hot?
Hindi, kamo.
Ay, no. Looks nice. Salmon belly. Spicy, yeah. This is called glass noodles. It's like, shrimp. The shrimp. Oh, this rotisserie chicken. Looks very appetizing. There's no rice? I thought there's gonna be rice. I think may rice daw kasama. Ayun. Kasama.
It looks good.
Yeah, it looks appetizing. Nice. Wow. Enjoy. Okay. Beef yan, no?
Yeah, beef.
Enjoy. Everyone's eating now. Except for Mr. Daryl. Still no food. We're going home na. There's no food for you pa. Ah, there finally. Save the best for last. Yahoo! Diet. Nice. So we're doing food mukbang. We're eating now. Finally. So we came from Cardigan Chives and we're gonna go now to Visa and Sun. Tumakbo na. And this is supermarket here. It's a Chinese supermarket. Oh my God. We're vlogging. I'm so busog. Oh shoot. Ay, may empanada po. Take out lang po na yung empanada. So we're going to Cafe 86. There you go. Weird. So it looks very nice. Wow, it's like brick now. And we've ordered 13. This one. This menu. Looks very cool. And I've ordered it. Ube Monster. And that's Thai tea, right? Thai tea. Milk tea. Sorry. Very nice dessert. Ube, yeah. Ube. Thai tea, right? Very cool here. It's done. Yay! Wow, that looks very nice. Thank you very much. So this is what I got. That's pearl. So here is my milkshake. And it's cold now. This is what we're drinking. Yummy. I wanna buy mango po. Wait. So this is the common supermarket here, like Chinese supermarket. Okay, let's go and do a quick vlog. I want to vlog this area. And fruits here, I'm gonna buy this. Nako-uwi shake, kaklings. C2. So we have all our Filipino products here. Chinese and Filipino products, no?
No, that's what is our product.
Yeah.
Mixed product is over here.
Yes, everything is here. So we're having a tour and we have balut. It's only 1.90 each. Do you eat balut? I cannot eat balut. Oh no. I think I was not used to it, that's why I don't eat it. But my husband loves it, no? Kuya John loves it. So they have veggies or fruits here. So they buy something that I have to convert.
Huh?
I need to convert. I have also Filipino products here, Chinese products, and everything. These are frozen. That's it. Now I'm thinking if I want something. Oh, I think they have here this. Yeah, this one. This is a bit expensive. Oh. Not that bad. Now this one is like $4. It will be like how much back home in Abu Dhabi?
200.
It will be 16 dirhams. So that is bibingka.
Naman, na Martin.
And sunflower cookies. These ones are like tocino longanisa, spring rolls, and you have all of the chichi or chicheria. All the maalat is here. I love fish crackers. Marshall. Topical. I've been to bigger shop, not like this. This is not that big. Ice cream. Shopao. The seafood stuff is here, right? Guys. Oh, crab. Oh, big fish. Four fish. Hana. Or big crabs. What do they have here? Fish. Fresh market here. See, the lobster is there. Live catfish. Look how big is this tilapia. It's $1.99 per pound, pero it's so big. It's sweet though. Crabs. Oh, I love crab. They're still alive.
Bawal na yun.
Bawal, don't care. I eat everything I told you. Napakialam. Salmon. Oh my god, you can see the taba of the crab. No? That's seaweeds. They have the belly. Oh my god. Everything is nice. What is this? Tempura. Chicken. So everything has their own prices here. So you can see from inside. You can choose what you want. These are chicken feet. Okay, so the entrails are all here. Bagoong, anchovy, achara. Cut meat. Oh, the sheep, huh? Mogu beers and the products, no? Here's the counter and we're leaving now. The products. These are for the old people like me. Let's go. I don't want to buy the mango anymore. I don't know if it's even sweet. Yummy. Now we're going home. Okay, so there is a raccoon in the dumpster.
Hindi naman raccoon yun.
It's a raccoon, Shuhada. It's a raccoon and it's looking for food. It's the first time I've seen raccoon. And it's looking at us like, what are you looking at? Na? It's so huge. First time ko siya nakakita ng raccoon.
Baka yun yung raccoon na nakita ko isang gabi.
Oo. Hi! It's looking at us. Like, what the hell are you looking at?
Nakakaklan na siya.
Oh, it's gonna go up now. It's climbing up. Oh my god. And it's not clear. It's evening anyway.
Tatalon yan dito. Tatalon yan
No
pala.
way. It's gonna go up the roof. And bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Order. Tapos yan sa computer niya. May mail niya.
Okay. We have Walmart here pala. Wow. Bath and Beyond. But Walmart is 24 hours.
Depends.
So this is Bena Park, right? So Bena Park you have shops like TJ Maxx. Oh, we've been here before, no? This is us.
Two sapatos. I buy online.
Oh yeah. So we're here at Ross now. Best for less. It's like the same as Marshalls and Winners. Thank you very much. Thank you. Look at the shoes. Slippers and shoes. Okay. Haha, this place is what I missed.